you go toilet, I'm gonna look at this ice cream thing. You want me to? Oh, so with you? You know, girls can't pee alone. Where you go? For what? Oh, I thought they're going to deliver to the condo.
You have to do this.
Oh. Oh. Okay. I thought you go into toilet.
We don't pay for delivery yet.
Mm. You know, we can build this thing, same thing too, have a box.
And then
And then put the sofa.
put this on the shelf.
Yeah, build the box.
Oh, there.
Coca-Cola. Go ahead. I follow you. Where you go, baby? Oh, this is the chair I buy.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, they not call us yet? Man, this is like an all-day process going to IKEA. What's up, babe? What are you talking about?
This one is no service charge.
No, there's no service. 23,000, no service cost. VAT tax. Yeah, this is all the stuff. What is this? My chair?
Your chair expensive.
Oh, look at your mirror. What is this one? Chair? Yeah, this is my chair. I buy 2 chair, cost 10,000 baht. And then the thing for the kitchen shelves is a little bit expensive.
Delivery service.
Yeah, you say it's free. Not free. They only charge 600 baht. Yeah, they gotta go a long way. No Coke Zero. Oh, I gotta try this thing. Apple and grape with aloe vera. I don't know how much this thing costs though. Well, it says 20 baht. So I have a hard time believing every single thing in here is 20 baht, but let's just go ahead and put 20 baht in here. We're going to put 20 baht in here. I'm going to try this apple grape with aloe vera. Oops, my money didn't get accepted for some reason. Yay! Five, 6, 7 baht, so that means it costs 13 baht. Oh, that's the price is listed is correct. Yay! What's up? What do you need?
Money.
For what? I thought we already paid.
Not yet.
I thought we paid
For
through.
delivery, not yet, darling.
Oh, delivery
Yeah,
separate.
I talk the second part already.
Huh? But we pay for the furniture.
But for delivery, not yet.
Hey, those little apple. There's a little grape pieces inside here.
หมู่บ้านพิชาเนาะ290จ้า
You're not very good. Take out money.
Oh, sorry, darling. 590
Here, take a sip. Take a sip of this. Take a sip. Try. You not like? Thai people and
ขอบคุณค่ะวันเสาร์เข้าส่งได้ปกตินะคะค่ะมากนะคะ
it's apple juice, babe. How can you not like apple juice with little grape chunks? Yeah, can you put it in my back? Yeah, put it in my backpack after we finish. Toilet over there. Big pine cone. This free? No, that's not pine cone. That's just for a package juice. I can toilet here. I see before. 8 baht ice cream. So cheap. I want to try this hot dog. I don't think I like, but I want to try it anyway. Whole wheat hot dog. Fish and chips, 85 baht. That's so cheap. Ooh, cheap food here. Yeah, food cheap. Yeah. Chicken cordon bleu with asparagus, tomatoes, and mashed potatoes. What was that, 120 baht, 150 baht? Pretty damn cheap, actually. Wow, cheap prices. I'm not sure if I like Swedish meatballs. Oh, they have a special every day. Today is Thursday. Tuesday's pasta day. Chicken cordon bleu, mashed potatoes, and 3 pieces of asparagus. 150 baht. Oh, that's for the if you have the IKEA card. No, we can go here. The line here, no, nobody here in the line. See, 20 baht hot dog. Veggie dog, 25. Cinnamon roll. Fried chicken, 65 baht. Baby, what do you want? You want fish? You want to try some fish stick? Yeah, let's try fish stick, one, and let's try one hot dog. Yeah, we want
fish stick มา and one hot dog
one hot dog and one fish stick. Where's the fish stick? Yeah, this one here, 55 baht. Oh, no, no, that's good.
70 บาท
When you're hungry, you go quickly, but when you have to pay, you move slowly. Oh, so quick.
ขอบคุณครับ
Thank you. Yay. Salt and pepper, you want? Ketchup this side.